Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a wedge stitch pattern. It is super easy, and for this, you'll just need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet. So to get started, you want to chain any multiples of 4 plus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 16 quick single chains. Alright, now that I have my 16, I want to do my extra chain at the end, so 1. And then in the second chain from the hook, you want to do your first double crochet. Followed by your next double crochet. And then you want to do 2 treble crochets, so 1. And 2. And this will be our repeating pattern, 2 double crochets, 2 treble crochets. So here we go again, 2 double crochets and 2 treble crochets. So here we are at the end, finishing off with our 2 double crochets. So 2 treble crochets. There we go. And what you can kind of see is what it's doing is it's doing a very nice wave of ups and downs. So what we'll want to do in row 2 is we will want to turn our work and chain 1. And then do a double crochet followed by another double crochet and then 2 treble crochets in the next 2 stitches. So what we're doing is we're repeating exactly what we did in row 1. So you'll always want to start with 2 double crochets and end with 2 treble crochets. Now if you end up getting a little bit confused in your work and you end up ending without 2 treble crochets, then you know you've messed it up somewhere, which is perfectly, honestly, it happens. I mess it up a lot to where you just end up getting sidetracked, or you're watching TV and then you look down at your work and it's not quite right. I'm very guilty of that. Oops. So here we are with our last treble crochet. You can kind of see what type of shape it's getting, but it's still just a little bit ripply, but it'll be like that when you first start out. It'll end up evening itself out with the more rows you do. So we'll go ahead and start row 3, and again, we're starting with 2 double crochets, followed by 2 treble crochets. And if you're ever not sure what you're trying to do, you can just look down at the row below to where you see your 2 treble crochets and your 2 double crochets, and you know that on top of your 2 treble crochets, you want to do 2 double crochets, and vice versa. Just remember to enjoy your work and to have fun with it. And if you're wondering what could I use this stitch for, I always recommend blankets. I think it'd be a great blanket. If you found this video helpful on how to do a wedge stitch pattern, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.